Yun na nga, nabalitaan niyo na ba yung pag-suspend ng ating PBBM sa RPMS, PBB at PEI? Ito, mainit-init pa. Galing ito sa Malacanang, Palas. Ito ay ayon sa Executive Order 61, Series of 2024. Ngunit ang katanungan dito, ang paggawa lang ba ng RPMS ang suspended? O pati yung ating mga allowances and bonuses na natukuha ay masususpend na rin dahil dito sa Executive Order na to? So ito ngayon nila naman na Executive Order number 61, suspending the implementation of Administrative Order number 25, Series of 2011, and Executive Order number 80, Series of 2012 as amended. Para malaman ng karamihan, ang AO25, ito po yung Establish a Unified and Integrated Results-Based Performance Management System across all departments and agencies within the executive branch of government, and for such purpose, establish the Interagency Task Force, IATF, on the harmonization of national government performance monitoring, information, and reporting systems. Whereas Executive Order number 80, Series 2012, as amended by Executive Order number 201, Series 2016, adopted a performance-based incentive (PBI) system consisting of Productivity Enhancement Incentive or PEI and a performance-based bonus to motivate higher performance and exact greater accountability in the public sector and ensure accomplishment of government commitments and targets. So yun po, yung Administrative Order number 25 at yung Executive Order number 80, yun po yung sinuspend ng ating Pangulong Marcos. Pero ang katanungan talaga dito alin ba ang nasuspend? Yung trabaho na ginagawa dito sa paggawa ng RPMS o yung mga benefits and allowances na natatanggap ng mga pampublikong guro dito sa ating bansa? Yun ang katanungan ng karamihan sa ating mga kaguruan. At yun yung antayin natin para mas malinawan pa tayong lahat. Yun lang, salamat!